And I think we're live. Yeah, I guess no one's here just yet, but yeah, I'll wait a couple of seconds, I guess. But when I don't know if I'm talking to myself or not, but if you've had time to hop, oh, now I see some people are hopping in, so there might be some delay. Haven't been. I mean, I was live on X's YouTube, but didn't really uh, see the actual like the interface. This is the first time doing it live from the phone, from my phone. But yeah, so I guess there's some delay. Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining in. I'm trying out doing a live here. One of the main reasons of that being that TikTok saves the lives in a very low quality, low frame per second thing. Uh, like the file is hard to work with when I do the live recaps. So I thought I would just try YouTube because why not? And also, if you haven't noticed, widescreen, so I can have my phone sideways, which is a lot better when shooting the TV screen. So yeah, I'm trying it out. I'm looking at the chat. Hi, welcome. Glad you could join us. Yes, I am very excited. Sorry, drinking some lemonade, sweating a bit. Had to turn off my fan for this, so it's a bit warm in here. I hope the focus stays. But yeah, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna wait a couple of more minutes just so people have time to jump in. But seeing how the last monkey gave us the last couple of numbers, we're gonna be opening the safe and watching the fourth tape. And I guess we'll do it the same way that we've done before, where we'll watch it once for initial reactions, and then we'll go back a couple of times. Maybe I'll answer some questions if anything comes up. I guess I'll use this opportunity to say, make sure to join in on the Discord if you're coming straight from TikTok and you're a bit confused about what's going on over these last like 2 weeks. I totally get that. And there's been a lot. Yeah, to be able to fully keep up, you pretty much have to be in the Discord. But yeah, I'm gonna play. Yes, I'm gonna be playing the tape any minute now. Just letting people join in, and then we go. I'm doing fine. I'm a bit. I guess you can say I've been a little bit on edge over the last couple of weeks, and it's been especially uh, especially like annoying to not really be allowed to use the Discord in the way I've usually done it. Like I haven't really been able to speak. I've cheated once or twice, just like left a little off-topic comment here and there, but I've been trying to keep out as much as possible to be sure to not accidentally break any rules, as I am, in fact, a talkative guy. But yeah, I think there's enough of us to actually get going. So yeah, the Peel No Elephant website, like, what feels like forever ago, gave us 33, if you remember, as the first couple of digits. And then the monkeys in what's the order? Blind, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil, gave us 43, 40, 48, making the code 33, 43, 40, 48. And if not, well, then we're in trouble, because then I don't know what this stream is gonna be. But yeah, let me actually, I got this new fancier tripod that is a bit higher, so I'm gonna do this. Yeah, and then I am going to hit the code. Oh, I'm really nervous, honestly. So 33, 43, 40, 48. Well, I don't like that. Did I do it wrong? 33, 43, 40, 48. Fuck. Well, that's not good. Are don't know, are that any of the numbers in, is that the correct order? Can someone double check? Because if that's not the order, if that's not the correct code, then I don't know. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so sorry, might have been a false alarm. Remember this? The little star. This guy. Okay, let's try that again. Ooh. Okay. Jesus Christ. Is there anything else in here? Nope, just like a little nice little carpet. I don't want to close it up because I feel like I'm not going to be able to get it open again. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's... How do I do this? So I'm trying, as you can see, something of a new setup here. I got the new fancier tripod that I don't have to put on the ground. Or, I mean, it is on the ground, but it is... Or on the floor, rather, but... It's higher. It's not this thing, which is what I've been using before. But yeah, good fucking job, everyone. Feels good to physically have this in my hand. Yeah, here it is, and yeah, I guess all that's left to do is set this up so that give the best possible view of the TV somewhere around here. And then I guess we could go a little bit closer, huh? I want to get the VCR in frame as well. There, maybe? I think the image is a bit like crooked, but it'll have to do. Move that over there. And yeah, I guess all that is left to do is actually play it. I can tell you one thing. For once, all you millennials or older out there, see this? We don't have to rewind the tape for 4 minutes before going this time. Which is a nice change in pace. Thank you for that. Yeah. I'm gonna start the tape, I guess. I was gonna ask like any questions, but let's just go. If this would work, that'd be swell. Thank you. Oh, right. Let me just make sure that the volume is up on the TV. And here we go. That's nice. I don't like how cozy this feels. What the fuck? No way. No way. Wait. Is this like a joke? Do I go? Fuck. What do I bring? I bring... Fuck me, dude. I bring my... Shit, wait. I have like a flashlight here somewhere that I actually just got. That is perfect because it is not light outside. Fuck it, yeah, okay. I'll need to get this off the tripod. Jesus Christ. Put it on the fucking TikTok tripod here. I need to like put, yeah, sorry if this makes anyone like nauseous. I think I might have to spin, or I can just spin the tripod, I guess. I need to put that on there. What do I even like bring? Am I gonna be out long? Do I get a knife? Do I... Is it the shirt on? Get my fucking keys. Okay, wait. I need to... Let me mute the TV. Hold on. Okay, I need to... what do I need? I need to calm down. Sorry, I'm not really following Shad here. Yeah, I don't know myself, honestly. I'm gonna go don't worry, but I'm gonna go. I was gonna bring you, but if I'm leaving the apartment, the Wi-Fi might die, so I'm thinking I'll switch to 4G. I'll just do that right now. If the stream... No? Can you hear me? Fuck. Am I still... Okay, you can hear me? Good. Yeah. Fuck, this is not what I expected. I have my little flashlight and I have my keys, but that's pretty much everything. I'm not going far for this. I'll turn back if this is some bullshit. I need to try to be kind of quiet because I don't want to wake up my neighbors. I'm fucking nervous. Trying to keep up with the chat. It's hard to read. I thought that was the car. Is that blinking? Fuck. Does that look like Morse? It's just like a steady blink. I mean, I guess that's nothing. Okay, I'll go. I guess I'll check it out. It fucking stopped. It stopped. I'm going. Fuck it, I'm going. This is right here. This was exactly... Damn, it's dark. Wait, is this camera a little bit better with light? Yeah. Hello? Fuck. I see you. I see you, fucker. I gotta get my flashlight. Fuck. Fuck me, dude. Is that not it? Is that not the exact fucking swing? Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna keep the flashlight off. Just I don't want to like draw stupid attention my way. So Yeah, this is the flashlight I got. Sorry. I'm not really following chat right now. This is the flashlight I got. And yeah, when I do this, I have two lenses on my phone, and one of them is better. This one is worse with light, so it all looks pitch black with it. But obviously it's a lot more wide angled. Like I really need a flashlight here, I guess, except for, but it feels like I've been kind of just lured away again. But I did close. Did I close the windows? I hope I closed the windows, and this is freaking me out. I swear to God, I fucking heard something. Did you hear that? That was like a twig. Did you not hear that? That's so close. I think that was that tree. It might have been that one, but I think it was that one. Sorry, I was trying to zoom. Without switching camera. Good thing there's like a road nearby. Makes it feel a lot safer. This is so fucking stupid. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's just like it's just garbage. Jesus, I'm getting paranoid. Fuck you, dude. I heard you. Fucking sure I heard something. You're gonna jump me like some fucking cheetah. Fuck him. Someone said go back. Yeah, I'm fucking about to. Because this feels very dumb. Like, very dumb. Fuck, I heard you. Yes, I heard you. Come here. Come here. I fucking heard you. You're so close to me. Come out here, pussy. What the fuck? I heard you. If you want to give me something, give it to me. Because I don't want to fucking do this. Okay? Just give me the tape or I'm gonna go back home, okay? Sorry. Fuck, have I been shooting everything? Just trying to see if... Fuck, I didn't even think of that, sorry. Shit, my camera is... I'm so dumb. Sorry, guys. Wait. It's just... I'm used to that for TikTok reasons. Okay. Is that better? Okay. I am about to leave because I don't like this, and I'm moving further and further away, I feel. From anything that I recognize. Jesus Christ. This feels so much denser at night. Like there is a road over there and there's like a house all the way up there. So this is not, that's the thing, like I am not out in fucking Blair Witch Project forest. This is kind of, you know, central. Which is why, I don't know if that makes it better or worse for me. Oh shit, that freaked me out. Get some sunglasses. And it's one of those, let's see if I can hold the light and the camera while I... I don't think that's... Do you think X put that there? No. I do not. Sorry, it's hard to light and film at the same time. Yeah, this is nothing. This is just people throwing garbage in the woods. I'm like scared to venture any deeper than this because it's like it keeps going to the left all the way over there, but that also is, there's like behind one of those old like electric, sorry, centrals or whatever. I don't want to go behind there because I think there are junkies back there, and yeah, I don't know. I'm about to give up. No, this is all just trash. People throw trash in the forest because people are garbage. And yeah. What the fuck? Of course. Of fucking course. Wait, this could easily be nothing. Let me... Oh, that's the exact same rope. That's the exact same. No way, it's right here. That no fucking way. Like spiders and shit. But there's definitely that gray thing. If this is a trap, just know that I'm live still. I don't know if that does anything. Maybe I should have brought a fucking knife, but yeah. Okay. Let me put this. Way. I thought he was fucking bullshitting me. Yeah, that's a tape. Fuck. And that's gray marker, right? I don't know. Can you see that? That's legit. And that means I'm out. It means I can get the fuck out of here. I'm out. I'm about to leave with the 5th tape. 2 tapes in the day, that's a record. Leaving these, if this is a clue, then, you know, gotta make that clearer for me. Because I'm not gonna spring. Sorry. If the flashlight's dying, I'm definitely getting out of here. Okay. Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Fucking fuck. Fuck me. Fuck. What the No. Fuck, I'm running, guys. I'm out of here. Jesus Christ. There was definitely someone just fucking staring at me in the middle of the... Just staring right. He was standing like close to me as well. And now I need to get home. I need to get the door. Sorry for pointing the camera down. Trying not to dox myself completely. I just feel like I need to... I need to close, lock my door before, lock my door. Fucking shit. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck. Fuck me, dude. There was... I'm having a fucking panic attack, dude. Yeah. It's locked. It's locked. Sorry. Wait. Turn that shit up. Jesus Christ. So You got that and that. That is by far the most fucked up thing yet. Holy shit. Did I close my fucking windows now? Yeah, it's closed. And yeah, okay. Jesus, I'm fucking sweating. Let me turn this on. Let me know if there's too much wind in the mic. I'm gonna put the phone on the bigger tripod. Hold on. Fuck. Well, I just have to I don't know what I have to do. Take like a quick breather. Hold on. This has gone warm. Very dumb. I'm using the front camera so I can't see the screen. I'll flip it around. Or I mean, I'm not going to be sitting here anyway. We're going to be... Yeah. Put this on the shelf with the others. Whew, okay, yeah, I'm calm. I'm better. Let me switch to the Wi-Fi again. It seemed to be fine last, but if it dies, don't worry. I'm just gonna switch to it. I'm gonna wait for some kind of reaction from chat that I am still live and that you can hear me. And in the meanwhile, I might as well get this ready. Okay, you hear me? Nice. So yeah, sorry, I just gonna double check that I locked the door. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, it's locked and all windows are closed. That's nice. Yeah, that's... I just feel like that drained me a little bit. So, exclusive world premiere. First ever time in history, 2 tapes back to back. Didn't even think of that, but I guess Yeah, I guess this marks the halfway point, guys. Thanks for all the help thus far. Now let's enjoy together, and then we'll watch tape 4 a couple of more times in case we like missed anything in that. Oh yeah, yeah, okay. Where's the volume? Because I think I muted it. Here we go. Did that light bulb just blow? Okay, I'll have to change that later. That's probably just the light bulb. I haven't changed those in a while. Wait, what did I miss? What the fuck? Jesus Christ, there's water. There's water all... No. Hey. I don't know where the fucking light switches are. I don't know where the fucking light switches are. No. Fuck, I think the power's out.